In this video I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram couldn't refresh feed. Now first thing what you want to do is go to Safari and then type like speed test internet, and first just check is your internet like up to speed or maybe it's just slow. So if this comes up, it means that your internet is working pretty fine, whether you are on Wi-Fi or mobile. The next thing what you can do is go to your settings and you need to choose Wi-Fi, and from here just turn on and off your Wi-Fi. If that still hasn't worked, go to the Play Store and update Instagram. If still that didn't help, what you can do, you want to go to settings, go to your storage and then wait till it loads up your things, and then scroll until you see Instagram, then click on offload app and press continue, and after that just reinstall it. It will have a button that says reinstall. If all of that didn't help, just go back to Google and then Google is Instagram down, and from here you will be able to see is it out or is it in. And as we can see from here, there's been something in the last 24 hours, but at the moment there should be no problems. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you out, leave a comment, like, subscribe that I have helped you. If this video didn't help you out, leave a comment with what was the problem and I will do my best to help you out to find a solution for you.